Hello, right now I will be showing you hiding an element on certain pages in Velo by weeks. Yeah, so if you have a page, an element that you only want to hide in one page, either if it is the home page, the contact page. Yeah, so if you have like an element that you want to hide in a certain page, either if it is the home page, the contact page, any page it could be. Okay, so let's do this. So first you're gonna go to the editor, turn on developer mode, and now we're gonna add a little bit of code. That is the code that we need to add. So we have there hide the element when the page loads, and $W my element, any element that you wanna hide, hides. So that my element ID is the ID of the element that you want to hide. I am going to hide the Wix chat. So as we see, the ID of the Wix chat is Wix chat 1. So we need to put there Wix chat 1. Because for example, if you change this to a strawberry, we usually just put coffee. Then you have to change this to, it says it's not a valid selector, and that's because we need to change this to coffee too. I am gonna leave this usually at chat box, and I'm gonna change this to chat box there too. A thing that you need to know is that in the page that you open the code panel, that will be the page that it will be hidden in. For example, if you open the code panel in videos, then it will be hidden that element in videos, okay? So you need to know that you need to open the code panel in the page that you want to add it to. Now let's test this routine. So let's save this. And just publish it. View site. And now as we see, the Wix chat app doesn't appear here. But if we go to the about page, it does appear there. So that is how we hide an element on a certain page. This was a very short video, a very quick video, and with only 2 lines of code. And now that I have told you all these wonderful things of doing Wix, now bye. Only this was all the video.